To go and check the car over, and it was fine. I mean, it was fine, it needed work, but it was fine. And then by the time we got round to actually filming me buying the car, it was 3 months later, so that was a long time later. And the difference between where it was when Paul's here, and the difference between where it was when I see it, well, the guy must have done a demolition, he must have done a demolition derby, and he must have had a party in it because it was absolutely trashed. But we had no choice, we had to buy the car, which really challenged Ed when we got it to the workshop, because the interior was threadbare, there was a mark or dent or scratch or something in every single panel, and we wanted to do something that was, it's a big car, so we might as well make it a big loud car.
It has a lot of personality. I think that's the thing about this car, is that, because by the time I got to the garage, you were a little bit despondent, and he actually it took me aside beforehand to just prepare for the worst of this one. But actually, it's an epic car, and it has so much character. The only thing you can do with it is just take it to the next level. And obviously hence the mad candy apple paint. Mostly you can see on the lap we've got little prisms as well, a little bit of sparkle, which was good. And of course then the finishing touch has to be the pink stripe and the gold leaf, which the garlic on it, the gold and the star, pretty much the odds. But I think it just works so beautifully with the car. I love it. The interior again is amazing. They've got the ostrich skin, top tapestry, and the door guard.
It's phenomenal. It really is phenomenal. I've lived in places that are smaller. It's just an amazing.
He is a drummer in a rock band, so he has lived in smaller places. Another thing that's really fortunate about what we do is that we get a lot of people want to buy the cars from us, and lots of them are in England when we bring the cars back to England. Lots of people don't want to take it back to America or export elsewhere, and we have to sell this car to this man who's on the telly. This is Russ. He's become a friend of the family of wheeler dealers. He also got a Mustang from us as well for his son, and they bring these cars along and support us at shows. So thank you very much, Russ. Let's give it up. Yes, let's give it up for him and his wonderful caddy. Leads us on nicely to the last car here, and this hasn't been on screen, but it means something to me. This is a car that I bought just earlier on this year with my wife. This is a little Porsche 912e. As you know, I'm quite keen on the car market and how it's working and how it's performing, and there's certain phases of cars that are coming through that are going to be worth money in the future. They're bankable cars. These are cars that, if you can get them in the market at the right place, you are going to make a load of money in the future, and these have to be next. Now the Porsche 912e, the reason is Porsche only made 2,000 of these cars, and they're all for the American market, so there's not that many left. I found this car in Carolina, beautiful little car with my wife Michelle. It was yellow, somebody had painted it yellow in its past, but I gave the car to my friend here Mark, who owns Mike's Muscle Car Garage. He was doing my Camaro, and I said, see if we can find the original colour and paint it back the original colour. And we found it was called Email Blue, and while she was restoring my Camaro, Mark, he started to restore this for me as well.
Yeah, that was nice of you to give me some other work. But no, it was a Camaro yellow, horrible, but we knew that it was a good car underneath, absolutely solid, California car, relatively low mileage for the year, and not a dent or scratch on it anywhere, just a horrible paint job.
It's a horrible paint job, but now look at the way it's turned out. It's absolutely lovely. And this car, I'm going to tell you, and this is, what we talk about on stage, us three guys talk about on stage, bankable cars, okay? I'm no different than you, we're no different than you can do this. I paid for this car a huge, absolutely huge £6,000.
6,000 quid.
6,000. I told you I'm a wheeler dealer. It's written on the bloody board here, right? £6,000. I'll probably put another £6,000 to £8,000 into it. Yeah. Today, I can bid 45 grand for it at the show.
45 grand.
So there you go. That's how you can get yourself into the car market, make some money, and enjoy it at the same time.
Yeah, that's a return.
Not bad at all. Mark, great job. Thank you very much. You like that one?
Love it.
Yeah.
Love it.
Great car. It's mine, remember. I know you've got the keys, but it's mine. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. They are Star Cars. Did you enjoy that?
Yes.
Yes, I can see your enthusiasm. Did you enjoy that? Yes. There you go. Thank you very much. Let's give it up one more time for Mr. Buzz Townsend.
You. 4,500 quid. Brilliant.
Nice. the one and only Head China. Thank you very much. Mark, thank you very much.
And of course, Mike Brewer.
Thank you very much. Now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be naming the best bike at the show, and that is just 2 stands down. So if you want to make your way over to Comic Classic, stand behind the barrier. You'll see me. Are you coming with me, Ed? I'm not sure either. Yes is the answer. Both me and Ed are going to be announcing the best bike at the show, just on the Comic Classic. So we'll see you there in just a sec. Thank you.
See you later.
Stansted from the Love of Cars, who's working with us on the live stage. He cut his teeth on one of these. And for the younger generation out there, if you wanted to choose a starter classic, something to get into, it's not too difficult, it's not going to frighten you too much, that you could go wrong with an Austin 7. If you have a look how simple it is in terms of its engineering, I think the wiring loop's only about 4 wires in the whole car, so you can't really go wrong with the electricals. It's absolutely brilliant. These people are so... One of the other things that